Nasaan na ang 30,000 pieces of evidence? This is not a case for the ICC. This was not even, these were not even cases in the Philippines. Not a single case. So parang ang pakiramdam ko, naging kaso siya dahil sa portrayal ng media sa war on drugs. And that was just the title noong trabaho ng gobyerno na pugsain ang illegal na droga sa loob ng kanyang bayan. Parang hindi siya makatarungan sa 80 years old na tao.
Nato ang ICC as a biased political court, no? Hindi siya court of justice.